A webinar participant recently asked me, what's the optimal team size for working on an opportunity solution tree? So in my book, Continuous Discovery Habits, I introduced this idea of a product trio. It's not a new idea. It's been around for a very long time. It's this idea of a product manager, a designer, and a software engineer collaborating from the very beginning when deciding what to build. So in my book, I talk about the product trio leads discovery. So at a minimum, we have that trio building and managing their opportunity solution tree together. So then the question becomes, what about everybody else? Can they contribute to it? Are they part of it? What I like about opportunity solution trees is they're visual tools. So it's a great way to share what you're learning, to share your work, to give context to the rest of the team. And of course, we want their feedback. If they see something that's problematic, if they see something they disagree with, we want to hear that. But the bulk of an opportunity solution tree is opportunities that are coming from customer interviews. So the people who should be framing those opportunities and adding them to the tree and doing that synthesis work are the same people who should be participating in those interviews. So what we don't want to have happen is have a small team of people doing customer interviews and then inviting everybody to come do opportunity mapping. We want the people that conducted the interviews, that participated in the interviews, that did the synthesis around the interviews to be involved in opportunity mapping. And for most teams, that's going to be that product trio. The more people we involved, the slower it's going to go, the messier it's going to get. People are going to get frustrated. So what I recommend is if you have somebody who's not in your trio, observe an interview, you can ask them to contribute to the interview snapshot. What opportunities did they hear? Did the trio miss anything? You can share the output of your first draft of an opportunity space with the team and ask for feedback. But we have to remember to distinguish feedback based on personal preference from feedback based on what we're hearing from customers. So for the most part, for the vast majority of teams, your product trio is going to drive this, and you might be getting a little bit of feedback from the rest of the team. Regardless of whether you're getting feedback or not from the rest of the team, you do want to use your opportunity solution tree to share progress with the rest of the team. Share what you're learning, keep them up to speed on what's happening in discovery. So when you get to the point where you're building something, they have the context for why you're building that thing. All right, if you need help with this, if you're new to opportunity mapping or new to opportunity solution trees, check out the guide in the post. And then if you are using opportunity solution trees and you have more than your product trio involved in the creation, or you've tried that, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear about the variation in what's happening in practice.